Life is a math equation. In order to gain the most, you have to know how to convert negatives into positives. Good day, everyone! Now that you know how to plot and name the points in the rectangular coordinate system, the next topic we have is on linear equations in two variables. This is part of Module 6 in the MELC. So today, we will illustrate linear equations in two variables, and we identify if an equation is a linear equation or not a linear equation. We have the following terms to remember in dealing with linear equations. Linear equations in two variables is an equation that can be written in standard form. This is ax plus by is equal to c, where a, b, and c are real numbers, but a and b cannot both be 0. Then we have the word solution set. The solution set of an equation in two variable is the set of all ordered pair of real numbers that satisfy the equation. And the graph of an equation is the graph of its set of solutions. We also need to remember that in linear equations, all variables are taken to the first power, and the graph of a linear equations form a straight line. For instance, we have 3x minus 4y is equal to 11. Is this linear or not? We can say that this is linear because the variables are taken to the first power. X has an exponent of 1 and y also has an exponent of 1. Therefore, this equation is a linear equation. Next, we have y is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 2 is not a linear equation. Why? That is because the exponent of x here is 2, and we said that all variables should be in the first power. Next example, 2x minus y is equal to 15. Looking at the equation, it is expressed in the form ax plus by is equal to c, where a is equal to 2, b is equal to negative 1, and c is equal to 15. Also, the exponent of the variables x and y are both equal to 1. Therefore, it is a linear equation in two variables. Determine whether or not each equation illustrates a linear equation in two variables. If so, we identify the values of a, b, and c. For example 1, we have 10x is equal to 20 plus 5y. To solve this, we need to express the equation into standard form, wherein we have ax plus by is equal to c. Given is the equation 10x is equal to 20 plus 5y. Here, we need to use addition property of equality, so positive 5y will become negative 5y when moved to the left side of the equal sign. Therefore, we will now have the equation 10x minus 5y is equal to 20. Here, the exponent of x is 1 and y has also an exponent of 1. Since this is in standard form and the exponent of the variables are in the first degree, therefore we can say that this is a linear equation in two variables, wherein we have the value of a is equal to 10, b is negative 5, and c is equal to 20. Example 2. 2y is equal to 12x plus 9. Once again, we express the equation into standard form. Ax plus by is equal to c. Since 2y is equal to 12x plus 9 is given, we need to use addition property of equality. 12x will become negative 12x when moved to the left side of the equal sign. So we have now 2y minus 12x is equal to 9. If the coefficient of x is negative, we need to make it positive by multiplying the whole equation by -1. So, we have -1 times -12x is positive 12x, and -1 times positive 2y is -2y. -1 times 9 will become -9. We now have 12x minus 2y is equal to -9. This now is already in standard form, and the two variables are both in first degree. Therefore, we can say that this equation is a linear equation in two variables, wherein a is equal to 12, b is equal to -2, and c is equal to -9. Example 3. 5x squared minus y is equal to 12. Here, the exponent of x is 2, and we said that in a linear equation, all variables are taken to the first power. Therefore, this is not a linear equation. Next, we have 4 all over x plus y is equal to 2. This is also not a linear equation because of the variable that appears in the denominator of a fraction. Example 5, xy is equal to 20. Once again, this is not a linear equation because the two variables are part of the same term. Put a check mark on yes if the equation can be written in standard form. Ax plus by is equal to c, and no if it cannot be written. If it is a linear equation, write the values of a, b, and c. So we have here the equation 1, 5x is equal to 3y. Can you change this in standard form? The answer is yes. So what is the standard form of 5x is equal to 3y? If your answer is 5x minus 3y is equal to 0, then you are correct. So it is yes, the value of a will be 5, the value of b is -3, and the value of c is equal to 0. For our second example, 2x squared plus 5y is equal to x minus 12. Observing the given, the highest exponent of x is 2. From there, we can conclude that this is not a linear equation. Third example, 3x minus 2y minus 18 is equal to 0. Can we change this in standard form? So it's a yes. What is the standard form of this? If your answer is 3x minus 2y is equal to 18, then you are correct. So, it's a linear equation. The value of a is 3, the value of b is -2, and the value of c will be 18. That's all for today. See you on our next video lessons. Keep safe, everyone.